Hey, it's Jono Poon here, another training on useful tools. So today's topic is editing backgrounds and making it transparent. Now, some people who's good at using Photoshop will know how to remove backgrounds quite easily and making it transparent, and probably wouldn't take them too long. As you can see, I probably struggle just as much as most people. And sometimes it just takes so much time to get rid of the background. And this is for someone who's kind of used Photoshop for a few years. I wouldn't say I'm still great at it. But some people who just beginners, may take a longer time. And sometimes things can go wrong when you're feathering or highlighting areas like this. My whole neck's disappeared. And so I found this tool called remove.bg, and what you can do is select a photo, just drop it in, and take a few seconds, and you'll see the magic that happens within. Voila! And make sure when you do download, there's only a few options when it's free. Which is the smallest one. When you start going to the medium download, the HD, the 4K, the higher quality ones, you do need to sign up, and you probably do need to upgrade the package. So there is different plans. You could do monthly subscriptions for £8 per month, which is not too bad for 25 HD images if you edit a lot of photos. Or you could just do pay as you go, which isn't too bad. But let's go back to finding our image. So the removed image background, let's see how well it's done it, because although the quality isn't as great as a paid one would have been, this is still pretty decent for what I need anyway. If I was to use it for for websites and memes, for instance, this is a quick way of removing the background and just adding in a different background behind them. So I hope you guys found this tool useful. It's Jono Poon here. See you guys in the next video.